Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to install Microsoft Edge in Windows 10. Go to your browser and in Google type Microsoft Edge and click here. Here you can see download option and click accept and download. I paste the link in below description, please check it out. And now run the exe, run us and this will download and install everything, and that's it. You don't need to do anything. Okay, the new version is installed. Now new version is installing. Okay, that's it. You can able to see the Microsoft Edge here. You can open and check it out whether it's opening properly or not. Get started. If you want to sync your data, you can click sign in and sync your data. If you not, just leave it as it is. And that's it guys, you can use your Microsoft Edge here. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, comment below. Thanks for watching.